Hi, this is how you remove the ear cups from the JBL Live 680NC, a process that is stupidly difficult due to that the clips holding the ear cups in place really makes them sit hard. Basically what we want to do though is that we want to insert a small little tool in this little crevice between the ear cup and the body of the headphones. In this case I tried first using a guitar pick, but it actually wasn't strong enough and broke. So instead I had to resort to use a small butter knife that I also put some paper over to not damage the plastic on the headphones part of this little operation. Here I highly encourage you to not use a metal object like I did at all, because you will almost surely end up damaging the plastic on the headphones. So like a thin plastic spudger or similar is probably the very best tool in this case. Regardless, at the time of filming, this is what I had. And well, it worked, but not perfectly, and I did actually end up damaging the plastic a tiny little bit. When you're doing this, be very gentle, although also very firm, because you do need some force to be able to get the little clips holding the ear cup in place to snap out. Once we've gotten everything apart, we also have this little foam piece that for some reason just falls out. Luckily though, this is easy to just put back. Just make sure that you align it correctly over the two small contacts where one of them is smaller than the other. After this, the reversal process is fairly straightforward. There's also a little pin to make sure that the ear cups can only be put back in one direction. Easiest I found here is to leave the ear cup in horizontal position and then put the headphones on top of it. And then just push everything back together using a little bit of force to squeeze all the four clips back into each ear cup. Alright, that is about that. Shame on you, JBL, for not making this easier, but thank you so much for watching. Bye.